how to enable Gmail desktop notification. Alright, so let's get started. So first, click on this cogwheel icon or setting icon, and then click on see all settings. And you'll see this settings. So scroll down until you find desktop notification. So just click on enable desktop notification for Gmail. And it should pop you up like show notification on your browser. And just click on allow. And you can see that this has been allowed. And also now you can change some settings, like you can specifically choose like for new mail notification or just important mail notification. All right, so I would prefer using the important mail, like inbox tabs. All right, and that's all. So also you can change the notification sounds like welcome, nudge, snappy, sweet, whatever you guys wanted to. Just choose one, and it's been preferred by Google. And you can also set this to none if you guys don't want it to get disturbed. All right, so you can select to any kind of tones you want it to. Well, after you have done this, scroll down and click on save changes. Now whenever you guys receive some notification, you will have some desktop notification from here, like it should pop over there. So this is it, guys. So this is how you should be turning on or enabling Gmail desktop notification. And it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.